basically it's not so scary. So these two bolts are crucial, and then the dash is going out. So I'm gonna do it. I will need just an Allen key. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another maintenance video from Suzuki 650 Bandit. This time I have a problem with the position light, and you need just the Allen key that comes together with the keys, stock keys from the motorcycle. This is probably 4 in my opinion, but check it. You just have to push it a bit up and it should go out easily. Sometimes it's a bit of a resistance, but it's not so hard to do it. Okay, so there is no need to disconnect the dash because the bulb it's on the side. So the position bulb is now the case, and you can see it right there. So on the right side, the position bulb. You can now see that these two parts go inside the plastic, and you just have to push it a bit, but firstly it has to be also in line with the bolts down here. It's okay. You have to be careful on both sides. You have that little plastic that goes inside, and also on the upper part. So just look very carefully before you start tightening the bolts. Let's double check the position lights. This is all for now, guys. This was the position light replacement on the Suzuki Bandit 650. I hope that you enjoyed. I hope that this information is going to be useful for some of you. Thanks for watching, guys. Please do me a favor and subscribe, and till the next one.